Welcome to this guide on how to get travel insurance online with SafetyWing. Whether you're a digital nomad or someone planning a vacation, getting insured before your trip is essential. I'll walk you through the SafetyWing platform, explaining how to select the right plan for your needs and why SafetyWing is a trusted choice for travelers worldwide. Starting at the homepage, you'll notice that SafetyWing offers two main insurance options: travel medical insurance and remote health insurance. For travelers, the focus will be on the Nomad insurance option, which covers health and travel incidents while you're abroad. Once you click the Nomad insurance option, you'll be taken to a straightforward page where you can enter your trip details, like your country of residence, the countries you're traveling to, and the dates you need coverage for. It's easy and user-friendly, making it simple to get a quote quickly. A great thing about SafetyWing is that it's designed with the traveler in mind. Their plans offer flexibility, allowing you to subscribe for long-term coverage or just for a single trip. They cover a range of needs, including emergency medical situations, trip delays, and lost baggage. When choosing a plan, you'll see the pricing, which starts at a very competitive rate compared to other insurance providers. It's especially good for digital nomads who travel frequently, as the cost is both affordable and covers most essentials. There are some disadvantages though. For example, pre-existing conditions aren't covered, and the coverage might not be as extensive as some premium providers. However, for the price and ease of use, it's an excellent option for most travelers. As you explore the features, you'll see that SafetyWing is transparent about what is covered and what is not. If you have any questions, their website provides detailed FAQs, or you can contact their customer support directly. For those looking for a recommendation, check out Ekta Traveling, a reliable partner service that works well with SafetyWing and offers excellent deals for global travelers. Be sure to follow the link in the description for more information. In conclusion, if you want a quick and easy way to secure travel insurance online, SafetyWing is a solid option. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button for more useful travel tips and guides.